Good morning children. Today we are going to start geography chapter number 4. Name of the chapter is air. So our atmosphere is surrounded by a huge blanket of air called atmosphere. Huge means very large. Next topic is composition of the atmosphere. Point number 1. Nitrogen and oxygen are the two gases which make up the bulk of the atmosphere. Point number 2. Carbon dioxide, helium, ozone, argon and hydrogen are found in lesser quantities. Point number 3. Apart from these gases, tiny dust particles are also present in air. Next topic is structure of the atmosphere. Point number 1. Our atmosphere is divided into 5 layers starting from the Earth's surface. Point number 2. The first layer is the troposphere whose average height is 13 km. Point number 3. The second layer is the stratosphere which extend up to 50 km. Point number 4. The third layer is the mesosphere which extend up to the height of 80 km. Point number 5. The fourth layer is the thermosphere which extend from 80 km to 400 km. Point number 6. The uppermost layer of atmosphere is exosphere which has very thin air. So here we can say that our atmosphere is divided into 5 layers. The first layer is the troposphere whose height is 13 km. The second layer is the stratosphere which extends up to 50 km. The third layer is the mesosphere which extends up to height of 80 km. The fourth layer thermosphere which extends 80 km to 400 km. The uppermost layer of atmosphere is exosphere which has very thin air. Next topic is weather and climate. Point number 1. Weather is the hour-to-hour, day-to-day condition of the atmosphere. Point number 2. The average weather condition of a place for a longer period of time represent the climate of a place. So, the weather meaning the state of the atmosphere at a particular place and time as regard heat, example dryness, sunshine, etc. And the meaning of climate is the weather condition prevailing in an area in general or over a long period. These are the definition of weather and climate. Next topic is temperature. The degree of hotness and coldness of the air is called temperature. The temperature of the atmosphere changes not only between day and night but also from season to season. Point number 3. An important factor that influences the distribution of temperature is insolation. Insolation is the incoming solar energy intercepted by the Earth. Point number 5. The amount of insolation decreases from the equator towards the poles. The meaning of insolation is solar radiation received in the Earth's atmosphere or at its surface. Only approximately 52% of this insolation. Next topic is air pressure. Point number 1. Air pressure is defined as the pressure exerted by the weight of air on the Earth's surface. Point number 2. Horizontally, the distribution of air pressure is influenced by temperature of air at a given place. Point number 3. In areas having lower temperature, the air is cold. Point number 4. The air always moves from high pressure area to low pressure area. Next topic is wind. Point number 1. The movement of air from high pressure area to low pressure area is called wind. Point number 2. Wind can be broadly divided into 3 types: permanent winds, seasonal winds and local winds. Point number 3. On 25 October 1999, cyclonic winds originated as a depression and affected Odisha killing thousands of people. So here given some types of wind, that is permanent wind, seasonal wind and local winds. Next topic is moisture. Point number 1. When water evaporates from land and other water bodies, it becomes water vapor. Point number 2. Moisture in the air at any time is known as humidity. Point number 3. When the water vapor rises, it starts cooling. The water vapor condenses, causing the formation of droplets of water. Point number 4. When these droplets of water become too heavy to float in air, they come down as precipitation. Point number 5. Precipitation that comes down to the earth in liquid form is called rain. Point number 6. On the basis of mechanism, there are 3 types of rainfall: the conventional rainfall, the orographic rainfall and the cyclonic rainfall. Point number 7. Rainfall is very important for the survival of plants and animals. Here is the meaning of some word like moisture. Water or other liquid diffused in a small quantity as vapor. Second, precipitation. Action or process of precipitation, a substance from solution. Humidity, a quantity representing the amount of water vapor in the atmosphere or in a gas. Orography, the branch of physical geography dealing with the formation and feature of mountains. So that's all about this chapter. For any queries, you can text me below. Till then, children, bye and take care.